A-Town's in the house, baby. It's them C-Clack boys. Here we go. Cause you know who the real players. Sit lagging, we toe tagging them demons. We still bragging my Jesus. We still tapping that demons. They white flagging that needles to show them the way to live in the purpose driven. Life with the Savior, ain't no one greater. You still living. Suckers get nervous around His name and His presence. They feel the essence of God. See God, I'm feeling them blessings. So here's a message to all who don't believe that He coming. Better get a head start now. If you're thinking about running, but it's a long way to go. You can't run, can't hide, can't pull the AK and shoot out the sky, but they coming with them swords and they spinning that fire. Every time you see them boys on the stage, they fly, fly.
Fresh white tee, go deep in the Dickinson. That's with a 7-6, we're sitting on some 22. Gotta look class and I gotta look good. If we about to hit the stage, then I gotta look good. Ice cubes on my neck, sapphires in my grill with a Jacob on my wrist, looking like J. Bill. I still rep the most high, still spit the fire. The world is what we live by. You know we gon' ride now. Hit you with the unexpected like we was a drive-by. Tell you what it's here, let the art all the outcasts. And when they always look past, now they catching whiplash. This is the final chapter, you might just have to
let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Look to Jesus, let Him know. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Catch your cat upon the Lord and let Him know, let it go.
Since you believe this is a joke, step up and get your spirit broke. Yeah, I got the antidote. Potent in any kind of smoke. Higher than all your cocaine drain. The dope carry gon' wash your brain. Fire to take away all your pain. King Eagle, color RTA. Don't hate on me, God made me that way. The power I got, the bullet I shot, it's hotter than hot. Your body gon' drop. Living and dealing, but nigga to stop. Your body gets cold, I'm taking your soul. Get on the team, get in the fold. Then I'm pimping you like a hoe. You don't know, you better let that go.
Let it go, let it go, let it go. Look to Jesus, let Him know. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Catch your cat upon the Lord and let Him know, let it go. Now, who you run to? Now, what you gon' say? Now, what you gon' do? Now, player, player, now, who you run to? Now, what you gon' say? Now, what you gon' do? Now, player, this player. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Look to Jesus, let Him know.
You don't know, you better let that go.
Let it go, let it go, let it go. Catch your cat upon the Lord and let Him know.
You don't know, you better let that go.
Alright, alright. Y'all don't know B-Mar got crunk, right?
You don't know, you better let that go.
Tico, my man, fam, I see you out there, baby, doing it big.
You don't know, you better let that go.
B-Mar.